All right. Ready? Go check it out. What's it say?
Do I introduce myself?
All right, let's go check out the lobby. All right, go check out the lobby. I think this is cool here. Kind of like a hidden place. Okay. I like the garland, but no Christmas tree. But that looks cool though. It's pretty. Let's check out. Yeah. Here's a coffee bar. We may have to stop here. Well, actually, it's a coffee bar and regular bar. Coffee would be good. Oh, we have to wait? Okay. So we have to wait to go in because limited capacity. So a lot of the art here is based on art from the Riviera, and it ties into art you'll see in the rooms too. So it starts here. There's some really cool pictures of Walt Disney we'll check out later too. Oh, our turn. Hello. How are you?
Thank you for waiting.
Pins?
2020 pins for Christmas with the
Ooh. I don't know, 2020, is that going to be worth something, or do we want to forget about 2020? Could be worth something. There's not a lot of people came in 2020. Some artwork. Your fedora. Ma'am. All right, cool. So a little gift shop. Some grab and go stuff. I like the Riviera logo. Looks cool. All right, so what should we do? You want to go check out more of the resort?
down towards that library, the coffee bar.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Oh, here's a Christmas tree. I noticed it. It's not as big as the one we saw last night at Grand Floridian, but it's a nice tree. We go this way. Hey, Matt. I saw Matt's online.
Oh, cool. Hey, Matt.
Man, I could go for a coffee. It's chilly for us here in Florida. 60 degrees for us. It feels like 30 degrees. See if we can get a shot in here. I don't want to disturb anybody, but oh man, those look good. All right, so here's the like the sitting room for the lounge, which looks like a library. Martin checked out the books. They're actually just props. You can't really take out the books, but it's a cool place to sit, especially in the morning, I think. So this is really cool. So there's photographs of Walt Disney's trip when he went to the Riviera. So that was one of his favorite places to vacation. So it's no coincidence that they modeled this resort after that, because everything's inspired by Walt Disney. Looks like Lillian's driving a Rolls Royce there. And some more artwork or photos of Walt. Some of these I've never seen before. These are actually pretty cool. These are quite stylish. Walt Disney there. Probably from Italy. And then down this way we go to Topolino, but I don't think we're going to get into Topolino tonight because they may take your temperature and it's a whole procedure. And there are signs that they're at capacity. So we may, just out of respect for the people that have reservations there, we might just avoid that tonight. But let's go check out the pool. If you're from the Northeast, the pool probably is not going to bother you, but if you're from Florida, you wouldn't think of going swimming today. Huh?
You want to get in the picture, the shot.
Yeah, once we get outside, it's fine. All right, let's see. We'll go down the nice staircase here. I like this another little seating area right here. You can kind of go out. Gotta push. I like this area. This is cool. So you could have coffee in the morning, sit out here, kind of your own little spot overlooking the courtyard. So there's one pool, that's the quiet pool, which is a little on the smaller side. The big one is off to the left of the screen. And then, actually, you know, we should go check out Skyliner.
Let's go see.
I want to go check out you want to check out the tunnels?
Yeah, the tunnel.
Okay. But here, we'll do one more hand up. So let's walk. We'll take a little walk. So this hotel at I totally forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, so yeah, so this is the first deluxe DVC property that Disney has built. So this one's considered sort of the best of the best of their vacation club properties. But of course you could stay here too if you want to pay cash. You don't have to use vacation points. Let's see here. Actually, we can go out this way. But even for DVC points, it's a little on the higher end, of course. So it's, for me, I think I saw it for like a studio, which is like a queen size bed and the pull-out sofa. I think it was 30 points a night, which is kind of up there in terms of points. Like Wilderness Lodge might be like 18 points, so it's almost twice as much. But it depends on the week and all that too. But if you're paying cash, it could be about $400 a night starting, depending on the room, probably for a studio. And then it can go up to a three-bedroom suite, or the Grand Villa, which is I think about $4,500 for the night. So what we're doing now is going over to, you want to do it, Martin? Go ahead. We got Martin here. So we're going to check out the tunnel. So Riviera, of course, on the Skyliner. So maybe we'll go take a ride on Skyliner. And the way you get to the Skyliner is through this tunnel. And there's 2 mosaics in here I want to show you, which I think is really cool. We'll go this way. The resort is absolutely packed tonight. You would never know it was a pandemic because it is sold out. And keep in mind it's in capacity though, so they're not selling out every single room. But of the rooms that they do have available, they are sold out. All right, so here, let me see if I can get it in the shot. And then, so this one is from Rapunzel. You can see the floating lanterns that go up from the movie. And then the next one down is from
Peter Pan.
And do you remember what both of these mosaics represent?
Flight.
Yeah, flight, because we're headed to Skyliner, which is flight.
Yeah.
Do you see what they did there? Alright, so these are all over a million of them. It took over, I think, over 2 years to complete. So you can see it goes all the way up, and that's from Peter Pan.
Oh, it's off to Neverland.
Yeah. And then the fountain. Alright, let's go see if we can get on Skyliner before it shuts down for the night.
Kevin Corbett said hi.
What?
Kevin Corbett said hi.
Oh, Kevin's on? Hey, Kevin. Kevin, one of my former neighbors from Connecticut.
Oh yeah, I remember Kevin.
Of course you do.
Hi, Terry.
Yeah, you
Oh, Terry's on? Great.
So,
Yeah. Alright, cool.
it's snowing up there. I hope they're all cozy and warm.
Alright, so here we go to see if we... Oh, great. No line, too. We're going to get right on. Good question. If we... I think this takes... So if we get here, it'll take us to Caribbean Beach. If we get on here, or do you want to go to... Let's just get on here, because we can't get into Epcot anyway, so... Okay, so... Although it is kind of a cooler run, now that I think about it, but that's all right. I don't think we're going to see much as far as the camera goes, guys, unfortunately. So here's the new Skyliner system, which is really cool. I was here the night that it malfunctioned. So that's one for the record books. Caribbean Beach. Yeah.
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to get in Skyliner.
Yeah, you too.
All right, now let's see. I'll sit over here. At nighttime, I don't know what we're gonna see, but we'll check it out. Hey, Terry said hi. Here's Michelle.
Terry!
Is that Martin?
For your safety,
Yeah, let's see. Here's Martin. All right, let's see. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see too much, but it'll be fun to just kind of go for a little ride. And
Here we go.
Yeah, the characters are on this one.
so Skyliner takes you to Hollywood Studios.
welcome aboard the
And to
Disney
Epcot.
Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney Vacation Club resort. If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Say bon voyage to the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
I got a chat just turned to me. I keep getting so big.
All right, guys. Well, I think we're gonna end it here. Thanks for watching.
Disney's Caribbean Beach
Say
Resort.
bye. Bye,
where
Martin.
every day feels like
Bye.
a Junkanoo celebration.